guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if it's your very first time tuning in. My name is Tammicia, and
hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammicia, and if this is your very first time on my channel, welcome. It is so nice to see you and have you today. So it's been a minute since I recorded a video, obviously. I feel like I'm always starting my intros with that. But anyhow, I am at Aldi today with my youngest son, my 17-year-old, and we are going to be doing some grocery shopping. I'm going to be doing some budget grocery shopping today because, yeah, trying to get my money right. So what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks is using my tips from the previous week to do my grocery shopping. I'm sorry if I'm looking like this way or that way. I don't know which way to look into this camera. But so some of you guys may or may not know I do a lot of gig economy work, and one of my main sources of income is from an app called Instacart, which is basically I go grocery shopping for people and I deliver it to their houses. So with our tips, we can cash out instantly and after we do an order or whatever, and I use the bulk of that money for like my bills, living expenses, all of that stuff. But for our tips, we only see those once a week. We can't cash those out instantly because customers do have the ability to change their tips. So what I said was, you know what, this is going to make my grocery shopping budget a lot easier if I just only use my tips. Sorry, I'm in the parking lot. If I only use my tips once a week when they deposit them for us to do my grocery shopping. So it's been pretty interesting because most of the weeks I kind of can stay on average of, you know, maybe $120, $150 for groceries, which is great. But so listen, last week I barely worked at all last week. So this is going to be a challenging grocery haul because I only have $60. I haven't grocery shopped with $60 in a minute. Like I said, I usually try to stay on average of maybe $120 to $150. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge to do with $60, but I have my Aldi sales ad and I have a little bit of a list to go by, and so yeah, we're going to make this $60 work for today's grocery trip. So I'm going to stop babbling. I will say this, if you guys want to see this every week, because I do go grocery shopping every Wednesday, if you want to see me budget grocery shop and to see what type of challenge I have, because one week maybe $120, $150, one week maybe $60, and God forbid another week maybe less than that, I don't know, but it's kind of fun and challenging to see how far I can stretch my money. And honestly, the best place to do that is here at Aldi. So I'm going to stop babbling and we're going to get into the store. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys are well, and see you in a minute. All right guys, so another thing you should know when you're going into Aldi, gotta have a quarter because you need it in order to unlock a basket. $1.99 for these pineapples. I've gotten pineapples from Aldi before and they were actually pretty good. So I'm not going to get one this time just because we don't necessarily eat them that quick and they sit for a while. So yeah, $1.49 for peaches. These aren't quite ready yet. It's still a little bit hard. I grew up in Augusta, Georgia, and there used to be a guy that would sell peaches on the side of the road. Oh my God, they were the best peaches ever. Let's see, mangoes are 49 cents each this week. I might actually pick up 2 of these. My youngest son loves to eat those. Got the avocados, 69 cents each. And these are actually pretty ripe. And then the cherries are $1.89 a pound. We've been eating a lot of blueberries, so I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of these. It's not bad for $1.49. Okay, so this is what we have in our basket so far, and this is where we're at already. Just in produce alone, I'm at $24.14. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to keep it kind of tight. But so I got some cherries, which we always buy since it's in season. 2 things of blueberries. I got a thing of red onions, a bag of tomatoes, some strawberries, avocado, sweet potatoes. We do not ever go grocery shopping without buying cilantro. Like, that is a must in our house. I got some limes, and I have this huge seeded watermelon. I try to buy seeded as much as possible if the price is right. And these were $4.69 this week at Walmart. Oh my God, did I just say Walmart? At Aldi. Also, let me show you guys a trick for picking out a perfect watermelon. Okay, this thing is huge and heavy. So what you want to do with your watermelon is you want to flip it over, okay? And you want to look at the bottom of your watermelon. And you want to have a nice creamy, yellowish white color on the bottom of your watermelon. And that's how you know that your watermelon is actually going to be a good and sweet one, because that means that that watermelon has been ripened a little bit longer. It's been on the ground a little bit longer, so it'll be nice and yellowish and white over here and kind of creamy. The bigger the spot, the sweeter the watermelon. Alright guys, so I'm already at $45 and I really don't feel like I have anything in my cart. Now I have 4 meals planned out. I don't think you can hear me. I do have 4 meals planned out, and I do have everything that I need for those 4 meals, but I still feel like I don't have enough stuff. So $45 already, we have $15 left to spend, and it's not going as well as I anticipated. It's not going as well as I anticipated, but we're gonna make it work. Alright guys, so hopefully you can hear me because I'm back out at the car. We had to stop filming in Aldi, which has never ever happened. You know how many Aldi videos there are on YouTube? And I've actually recorded in Aldi a couple of times, but the manager in there while we were filming said we could not film anymore, so I couldn't get all of the footage that I have. But I have my basket full of groceries and I have my receipts. We came in right under budget at 59, what was it? $59.27. Hopefully y'all can see that in this sun. So the way Aldi works is you kind of have to, bag everything up yourself. So I have a couple of boxes in the car as well as my insulated bags. And I'm just going to kind of do a quick haul for you guys. Put the camera up here. I'm going to kind of do a quick haul for you guys as I load everything into the car. So you guys already saw we had some cherries. Let's see. I got a cucumber because I'm going to make a pasta salad. My blueberries and my strawberries. I think you guys already saw the red onions. Got my avocados, my lime, because I'm going to make some guacamole. let's see what else. I got some graham crackers, as well as, it's probably loud. Some graham crackers, some marshmallows, and some chocolate because we like to do oven s'mores. Some pasta for my pasta salad. I need to get these in a bag real quick. I have 2 things of ground beef. This is their organic, Simply Nature, 100% grass-fed ground beef. These are $5.29 each. I like to buy these. We're gonna do like some taco salads and stuff like that, and some hamburgers. I got a pack of chicken breast, boneless skinless chicken breast. This was $3.78 for this pack. And I also have a pack of chicken thighs. This was $3.61. Got some orange juice because I can't come to Aldi or any grocery store, maybe grocery shopping, without getting orange juice for my son. I have some Greek yogurt. This is their orange cream and the lemon meringue. A block of the New York sharp cheddar cheese. This was $1.69. Oh, also the orange juice was $1.99, and the yogurts were 65 cents each. And let's see, that's all my cold. Oh, you know what? Let me put this chocolate in this bag as well because I don't want that to melt on the way home. And let's see, I got some tahini for my watermelon. I'm gonna put that on with some lime and some agave. That's gonna be so good. Some black beans for our tacos. The black beans were 89 cents, and the tahini was I believe it was $2.29. These are actually my favorite tortilla chips. These are 85 cents at Aldi, and these are their big dippers. They're kind of like the what is it called, the Tostitos scoops. They're pretty much like that. So I like this for my avocado and my salsa and stuff. And we're down to the end. You guys already saw the cilantro, the sweet potatoes, the tomatoes, the huge seeded watermelon, and the last thing I got is a pack of hamburger buns for 89 cents because I'm making hamburgers. And that is it. $59.27 Aldi grocery haul.